pulling up his pants because of sagging wolves. Watch this. Ah! Chicken.
Are you the monster?
Ah! Chicken. This is going on YouTube.
Are you what?
This is going on YouTube. See, it's a girl.
Are you the monster?
Maybe.
Really chasing me. For real.
Look at this chicken cow crap. See, he's a little kid who says boo-hoo, weenie doo-doo.
Come on, come get me.
This is Beckham Stoling. Hey, Beckham, look at the camera.
No.
Beckham! This is Beckham Stoling. I got his shoe! He's without his shoe. There he is. He has junky shoes.
Give me it now.
I'm playing soccer.
Stop. My shoe.
I'm telling Mom, he says. This is pathetic.
You.
Hey, I'll get back to you guys after I finish them off.
I'm gonna go and watch this cave so you can try to kill me. Come on, doodle.
A 3D walk. Hey, so anyways, I just kicked him, threw him, dragged him back. Hey, new wall. This is a grass-only match. Hey, I'll get back to you. This is H-Man out. I just karate kicked them, threw him back down on the ground, dust. So anyways, I'll get back to you. Hey, I'll think of a good name for this video. If I don't, this will be my last showing. Beckham Stoling, Hunter Bond, the monster. Beckham Stoling, the kid on the ground who's crying, saying, "Mommy, mommy, poop my poppy." And I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching and like and subscribe.